The two questions that we get asked all the time are, when can I have it and how much does it cost? And then people go and ring their existing provider who tell them that no, they've got the best package around at the moment, and that's because their existing provider can't offer this service. This is a different product.
In Shrewsbury, everyone has got a telephone connection, which is typically a copper connection at the moment.
And that copper is degrading, and it can only give you so much capacity.
I contacted EE, and I was just complaining about the problems we're having, and they were saying there's just not enough bandwidth for everything you've got.
We come down those ducts and over those poles and deliver it to your home or your business in the same way that Openreach does.
We own the fibre all the way through, and it is new, it's got loads of capacity, and it's tested really thoroughly, so we know it works.
Whereas you're getting the fastest you can get on your copper, whatever speed you're getting, that will be the best they can give you. With fibre, the sky's the limit.
In essence, really what we've got now is fibre, which runs literally along here to the back to the office from outside, and it was installed within one day. Next day it was live, and we've had absolutely no issues whatsoever with it.
Before we had full fibre, we couldn't watch our favourite TV programmes in the evening. You know, we were restricted in what we could do. We had trouble with accessing work. All of those problems have gone away, and we can watch what we like, when we like.
There's no shared old components in there that everybody else is using and is delivering the same marginal experience on. This is real capacity all the way to where you need it, rather than just part of the way through and over a whole myriad of other things in the middle of it.